Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wardah Fathimah, and my name double 2123023. Okay, here I will present some understanding the role and benefits of ICT in education. Okay, the first is about digital skill development. Definition of digital skill development are defined as a combination of knowledge, skill, and attitude that enable individual to use digital device, communication applications, and networks to access and manage information. Their skill encompass a range of abilities from basic to advanced, including number one, basic digital skill, and number two, intermediate digital skill, and number three, advanced digital skill. And number one, basic digital skill using digital device such as web browser and search engines. And number two, managing file, sending email, and filling in forms. The next, intermediate digital skill, creating content using digital technologies, working in automate process and evaluating technology, and analyzing, producing, interpreting, and visualizing large amount of data. And the last, advanced digital skill, proficiency in graphic design, multimedia development, data analysis, and other specialized skill typically required for job in the IT sector. And the last, knowledge of cybersecurity principle to protect digital device and network. Okay, the next slide, the role of digital skill in learning. And number one, increasing learning interactivity. Digital learning media, digital technology enables interactive learning by using various media, such as learning videos, educational games, simulation, ebooks, podcasts, webinar, and virtual augmented reality technologies. This improves understanding and retention of the material as students can be actively involved in their learning process. And number two, developing digital skill. Digital literacy, digital skill equip students with the necessary skill to face global challenges. These include digital literacy, critical thinking, and adaptability to technological change. Digital literacy helps students differentiate learning resource and open up opportunities for teachers to be more productive in creating digital learning media. And number three, improving access to information. Digital resource. Digital technology provides information-rich learning resource from a book to learning videos. Students can access resources such as scholarly article, educational videos, and online database, which help improve the absorption and understanding of the material. And the next, number four, developing digital communities, collaboration and interaction. Digital learning platform allow students to collaborate and interact with classmates and teacher. This open up opportunities for students to share ideas, support each other, and learn together in virtual improvement. And number five, overcoming challenge, inequality of access. Well, there are challenges such as unequal access to technology and the internet. Utilizing technology in learning can help address the education gap with continued investment in infrastructure, training, and supporting policies. And the less improve effectiveness and efficiency. Quick feedback. Digital technology provide faster feedback, assisting student and teacher in evaluating learning projects. This increase effectiveness and efficiency in their learning process. Next slide, benefit of digital skill education. Number one, increase accessibility and flexibility. Access to learning material, digital skill allows students to access learning material from anywhere or anytime, because increasing accessibility and flexibility in the learning process. And number two, improving teaching quality. Interactive material, the use of digital technology in the classroom allow teachers to present material in a more engaging and interactive way, such as videos, simulation, and learning apps. This enhance the understanding of difficult concepts and give teachers the flexibility to present material with an approach that suits each student learning style. And number three, enhancing interactivity and collaboration. Online discussion and collaborative project. Digital skill allowed students to actively engage in the learning process through online discussion, collaborative project, and other interactive platforms. This not only increased participation, but also develop social skill and cooperation. And number four, developing student digital skill, use of productivity software. Digital skill equips students with the ability to use productivity software such as word processing and spreadsheet and understand the basic principle behind the technology. This prepares students to face global challenges and adapt to technological development. And number five, improving critical thinking skill, data analysis, and digital content. Digital skill include the ability to conduct data analysis and search for relevant digital content. This helps students to think critically and prioritize the choice of digital content need to be used in the learning implementation. And number six, open opportunities for collaboration and communication. Communication and collaboration skill, digital literacy helps students understand the age of communicating online, using social media and collaboration skill in a digital environment. This open up opportunities for students to collaborate with friends not only locally but also globally through online platform. And the last, development, creativity, and technology skill, creating digital content. Digital skill include the ability to create digital content that can be used in every lesson or share for others use to collaborate on. This allows students to express their ideas through various creative tools and platforms, such as creating multimedia presentation, blog, or other digital projects. The next slide, strategy of digital skill development. Digital skill development strategy are essential to prepare individual and organization for the evolving digital era. Here are some strategies that can be used to develop digital skill. And number one, identify digital skill needs. Need analysis, identify the types of digital skill based on industry, role, and purpose. For example, if you work in marketing and digital marketing skill are essential. And number two, use of learning resource. Online resource utilize various online learning resources such as YouTube, Udemy, Coursera, and other websites to learn digital skill. This platform provides courses and tutorials that can be you develop digital skill. And number three, practice and experimentation. Practice as experimentation after learning the theory. Practice and experiment to hone digital skills. Creating small projects can help deepen understanding and improve skill. And next, join a community, such as online communities. Joining online communities or forum related to digital skill can provide great benefits. You can exchange information, ask your advice, and learn from others. And next, number five, formal training and certification. Formal training, attending formal training and certification can provide a strong foundation of knowledge and can increase your credibility in using digital technology. And number six, integrating aspect of digital ethic. Introducing aspect of digital ethic in every course or project can help students understand the ethical implication of using information technology, including privacy, security, and responsibility in disseminating information online. And next, number six, developing relevant curriculum. Developing a curriculum that is relevant to digital skill needs can help students master good technical skill and understand digital ethics. Effort should be made to improve digital literacy through the development of an appropriate curriculum. And number eight, integrating digital technology and learning digitality integration. Integrating digital technology in learning can help students develop skill relevant to the digital era, such as digital literacy, critical thinking, and adaptability to technological trends. It also helps students access information-rich digital resource and improve material absorption. In the next slide, example of digital skill implementation in school. The implementation of digital skill can be done through various strategies and activities that support digital learning. Here are some examples of digital skill implementation in school. Number one, using a learning. Using a learning platform as a learning medium to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of learning. Number two, using digital learning media. Using video, animation, and simulation as learning media to make the learning process more interactive and interesting. And number three, developing appropriate curriculum. Creating a curriculum that support digital learning by incorporating material relevant to digital technology. And number four, improve teacher competencies. Train teacher to use digital technologies in learning, such as using digital device, developing digital learning material, and providing digital-based assessment. And number five, developing a digital learning culture. Creating a digital learning culture that supports students to learn independently and actively use digital technology. And number six, use a learning management system or LMS platform. Use an LMS platform such as to manage learning in a more organized and systematic way. And number seven, develop student skill in using digital technology. Train students to use digital technologies effectively, such as creating digital content, using digital device, and understanding digital privacy and security. And number eight, organize project-based learning activities. Conduct project-based learning that involve the use of the internet, such as online discussion and online research. And the next, using apps and software effectively, such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Canva. This can help students develop the technical skills required in the digital world. And the last, developing digital content. Assign the student to create digital content related to the subject matter at school. For example, creating a video that discusses the specific material being. Okay, the next slide, evaluation and measurement of learning outcomes. Evaluation and measurement of learning outcomes is an important process in education to determine the extent to which learning objectives have been achieved by students. Here is a further explanation of the evaluation and measurement of learning outcomes, as well as some effective method of conducting evaluation. And number one, definition of learning outcomes. Evaluation of learning outcome is the process of providing information used to determine or consider the extent to which learning objective or program have been successfully achieved. The purpose of evaluation is to determine the development and progress of student learning outcomes after completing the learning program, as well as to collect data and information in an effort to improve learning activities. And number two, effective evaluation method. Online test. Using online test to measurement student ability to answer questions relevant to the material learned. Online test can be conducted through a learning platform that allows students to take tests from anywhere at any time. And the last slide, conclusion. Digital skill development is essential in improving the quality of learning and facilitating access to information. By developing digital skill, students can more effectively access and utilize digital resources such as a learning, online learning platform, and supporting application. This is not only improve learning efficiency, but also allows students to interact with information more dynamically and interactively. In addition, digital skill also helps students in developing 21st century skill needed to face future global challenges. Therefore, the integration of digital skill in the education curriculum is a strategic step to improve the quality of learning and facilities wider and more effective access to information. That's all the presentation for me, more or less. Please apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.